I joined Planned Parenthood because I wanted to help poor women with real health care needs. I still do.
Abby Johnson was a clinic director for Planned Parenthood and worked there for 8 years.
I learned that Planned Parenthood is not about women's health at all. Their primary profit center and their entire corporate culture is about abortions.
Planned Parenthood is America's largest abortion provider. 98% of their services for pregnant women are abortions, and they receive over $360 million in taxpayer money every year.
My superiors actually instructed me to increase the number of abortions at my facility. I couldn't take it anymore. Low-income women need real health care services, and it's time America knew the truth about Planned Parenthood.